Today, in your opinion, harder than it's ever been?
I was friends with my boyfriend before we started dating, and I feel like that's a more natural transition than like seeing features on your screen and trying to make a decision based on like a list of things.
People just try and avoid things because I think they're scared to say things straight up.
One red flag and you're kind of like, oh, I could go find somewhere else. You don't need to have one person when you could have like 5.
Honestly, I don't know. I've had really bad luck. So everything. Like, I've been treated like shit.
I think a big part of it is because of social media.
People see a lot, they exposed to a lot. They're always looking for better.
Everyone is always looking for the best thing, and they always think something else is around the corner, and you almost have too much access to too many people.
Okay, so I find it interesting that the most attractive looking young lady out of that entire group said that dating for her sucks. That's interesting. I think that she's one of those people that probably had pretty privilege. And oftentimes you see certain individuals like that continue to choose to give their time and their attention to the wrong people. It was a guy that was in there as well. One of those guys that look like they're socially awkward. Those type of men and those type of women are the ones that had that type of opinion when it comes to relationships. Do I think that dating should be harder, or is it harder than it ever has been? I don't think so. I honestly do not think so. Because when it comes to social media, the beautiful thing about social media is people oftentimes put their entire lives on social media. So I tell men and women alike, if you want to really get to know somebody, just go to their social media page. If they are on social media going back and forth, complaining and arguing with people, in most cases you already know what type of person you're dealing with. If you go to their page and they have pictures, inappropriate pictures. Y'all know what I mean by inappropriate pictures or inappropriate videos on their page. Instagram, you got Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, all of these different things that you can literally use to really get to know that doggone person, or at least know who they are, get a sense for who they are. I think, personally, the women or the men that most people should be aligning themselves with. If you look at their social media page, most of them don't honestly have them, but the ones that do, they're not extremely active, or if they do post something, it's about family, it's about something about them going out, but it's never anything crazy. But across the board, if you look at most people, they get themselves into situations, whether they done got in a relationship with that guy that they shouldn't have gotten in with, or it's a dude that have gotten themselves in a situation with a young lady that they shouldn't have gotten with. You look at their social media page, like, yo, the evidence it's always been there. So did you choose to ignore this type of information? All of those red flags that people choose to ignore early on, and then they try to blame social media as the reason why relationships have failed. Social media ain't do nothing. Social media didn't do anything. The only thing that it did is it allowed you to post. It allowed you to show your true colors. And if you use that information, I think that people can honestly make better decisions and better choices about who they're giving their time and their attention to. And if you look at the first young lady, right? Look at the first young lady. She's not, again, the most attractive person in the world, but she seems like one of those people that make sound decisions when it comes to life, when it comes to relationships and everything else under the umbrella. So it's no weird reason why, when you look at most people, you can kind of already tell, like, yeah, this person already looks like they're gonna make a sound decision. We'll agree with some of the last people that spoke. What I would agree that social media has done, it has created a false perception. A lot of people think that, just because these people are liking, just because these people are commenting up under my posts, up under my pictures or whatever, that these people are, they want to deal with me. But in reality, just because you have more options don't mean that they're better or they're good options. You have a lot of people out there that just want to get with you for different reasons that I'm not going to say right now. but they just want access to you. We'll stick with that. They just want access to you for different reasons. Most of those people that are commenting and saying crazy things up under your posts, I promise you, most of those people are not honestly trying to get to know you for you. If we being completely honest about this. All right, so I want to hear from you guys, man. Y'all let me know, what do you guys think down in the comments about this particular video? What are y'all thoughts on dating right now as of 2024? Is it better, or has it gotten worse, or is it getting worse? All right, y'all let me know down in the comments. Until the next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa, too bad was you know they roll.